There's a flicker on the platform light, 1/4 and it don't feel right. Ticket man says you're cutting it close, but I've been cutting it close most of my life, I suppose. Got a suitcase that don't shut tight, full of things I don't need tonight, and a name I ain't said out loud since I walked away from that crowd. There's a woman with a cigarette, says she's got no regrets just yet, but the way she stares at the track looks like she's waiting on something that ain't coming back. I say this train don't stop for long. She just smiles like she's heard that song. Says you either leave or you stay, ain't no in between on a night like today. And it's the last train out of town, don't matter where it's going now. You just get on or you stay behind. Either way, you're leaving something behind. Hear the engine start to roll like a low-down whisper in my soul, and the rails begin to hum like they already know what I'm running from. Got 1 foot on and 1 foot off, like a man who never quite commits enough, and the whistle cuts the air like it's asking me if I still care. It's the last train out of town, don't matter where it's going now. You just get on or you stay behind. Either way, you're leaving something behind. Yeah, you can spend your whole life waiting for a sign that never shows, or you can take what's in front of you and see how far it goes.